In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PHP version in Cloudways. One of the biggest things to understand from the start is that in Cloudways, PHP is managed at the server level, not inside each individual application. So if you've been looking around inside a single app's settings for a PHP version switch and not finding it, that's completely normal. When you change the PHP version, it affects every application hosted on that server, which is why it's important to handle this carefully. Before making any change, take a moment to do a quick pre-flight check. First, create a fresh backup from the backup and restore area in your Cloudways dashboard. This gives you a safe restore point in case anything doesn't behave as expected after the change. If you're running WordPress, also make sure WordPress core, your theme, and all plugins are fully updated. Newer PHP versions are faster and more secure, but outdated themes or plugins can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Once that's done, log into your Cloudways platform dashboard and head to the servers section from the top navigation. From there, select the server that hosts the website or websites you want to update. This is important because, again, you're changing the PHP environment for the whole server, not just one site. After opening the server, go to the left-hand menu and click Settings and Packages. Then switch to the Packages tab at the top. In this section, look for the PHP row. You'll see the version your server is currently using. Click Modify, open the drop-down menu, and choose the PHP version you want to move to, such as PHP 8.3 or PHP 8.4, depending on what your applications support. Then click Save Changes. Cloudways will show a warning asking you to confirm compatibility, and once you approve it, the update process will begin. At that point, Cloudways handles the heavy lifting in the background. It updates the PHP packages, reconfigures the environment, and restarts the necessary services automatically. This usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. During that window, your site may briefly show a service unavailable message, so it's best to do this during low traffic hours. Once the update is complete, you should see a successful package update message in the dashboard. Don't stop there. Open an incognito window and visit your live site. Check key pages, test forms, go through any important user flows, and log into the admin area. If you run an online store, test a sample transaction path as well. Finally, review your error logs and make sure everything is stable. That's how to safely change the PHP version in Cloudways and verify that your site is running